OTS is a leader in research, education, and the responsible use of natural resources in the tropics. Las Cruces Research Station is situated on Costa Rica's southern Pacific slope at about 1,000 meters elevation. It is surrounded by both primary and secondary pre-montane wet tropical forests with a high diversity of flora and fauna. This makes it a key site in the study of restoration ecology and biological corridors. A dedicated team of volunteer climbers came together to make a positive contribution toward the understanding of our environment. The team members have backgrounds in arboriculture, sustainability, biology, and architecture. The project was to extend the scope of research at Las Cruces by building and installing 2 canopy platforms in large forest trees. These platforms will make it possible for researchers and students to access the forest canopy. This will allow close-up monitoring of the canopy environment with the associated species and microclimate data.
Here we go, way down south, me and my old. Gonna go meet the tree wolf in San Vito. Rebecca's calling from Wilson Garden in the name of science. Son of a gun, we're gonna have big fun in the jungle. Setting our lines with little orange twine, wilder shoots an arrow. Get up in the trees where we have sweet breeze and no mosquito. Mind your eyes, sparks to fly, Mauricio's welding. Gonna build us a platform for the jungle. Crack of dawn, grunt and yawn, we're burning daylight. We found our tree way up high on the ridge line. Climbing gear piled up high at Casa Wilson. Son of a gun, we're gonna get this done in the jungle.
Skilled local workers and the team built the platforms in the Las Cruces workshop. The main component was upcycled galvanized steel planting tables. These were reinforced, and a solid substructure and railings were built with local materials. The railings will serve as attachment points for research instruments and 24-hour cameras. Safety was the main consideration on the construction site. Climbing was done with the best practices of modern technique and equipment. The material was hauled up into the trees using a progress capture system. The tree health and structure were evaluated to make sure they will serve as long-term support for the platforms. The trees were chosen for size, species characteristic, and biodiversity potential. No hardware was drilled into the trees. The platforms were suspended by cables with recycled tire sections as buffers, ensuring bark protection and freedom of growth over time.
I'm in the line, 2 at a time every morning. Hauling pipes, steel, rope, and cable. Clamp that wire, don't drop that nut if you're able. Son of a gun, I hope it's rice on the table. Setting our lines with little orange twine, wilder shoots an arrow. Get up in the trees where we have sweet breeze and no mosquito. Mind your eyes, sparks fly, Mauricio's welding. Gonna build us a platform for the jungle. Tree Wolf Gang is a motley crew from all over. We got 2 Yanks, Tico Brit, and they're Romanios, Andrew Sawyer, Wilder, Jimmy, Hale, and Roxy. Son of a gun, we had big fun in the jungle. Setting our lines with a little orange twine, Wilder shoots an arrow. Head up in the trees where we have sweet breeze and no mosquitoes.
The Canopy platforms provide many opportunities to produce long-term studies of epiphyte communities, forest changes, and climatology. This allows OTS to stay on the cutting edge. The knowledge gained will ultimately serve Las Cruces' purpose of protecting primary forests and understanding how to reestablish complex ecosystems in secondary forests.